What's up, my peeps? I'm over here at the Navasota River between Mahia and Groesbeck. Let's get going fishing, baby. Here, I'm about to get set up out here. There's my wife right there. Yeah, pretty little site right here. Looks pretty nice. What did I say? Crazy cat lady? Yeah, look at that. Cat crazy. Yeah. Over there is the state park. So what this does, it runs from there all the way to the Navasota River. So hopefully, let's catch a fish, baby. So guys, I wasn't successfully getting anything with this, but I did put this little thing on the line. So hopefully we'll catch us a little fishy fish. Let's go fishing, baby.
Train whistle in the distance, wind rolling through the desert. There's a faded line on a desert road where the heat meets the sky. Got a tank half full and a broken heart and a reason I can't deny. Your photograph on the dashboard still.
Well guys, I didn't catch anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and use bait on my next episode. So I'll see you on the next one. Let's get going fishing, baby.
To the place I belong, West Virginia.